Here are some tips to avoid making mistakes when ordering GRETA. First, be careful not to confuse right and left on the modules. To determine if it is a left or right end unit, you must stand behind the reception counter, not in front of it. The end modules can therefore be fitted together. They are equipped with a long side panel on one side only, except for the DDA modules. There are intermediate modules, which can be nested between the left and right end modules, or other intermediate modules. There are also freestanding modules that cannot be introduced between end modules. The freestanding modules are equipped with a short side panel on one side, and a long side panel on the other except for the DDA modules. Each module can be equipped with an optional front panel. We also offer modules that form corner angles. In the same way, the orientation of the furniture can be determined by standing behind it, on the user's side. With freestanding modules, the long panel is always placed behind the unit, and the short panel is placed on the side of the unit. There are also end modules with a side panel. Finally, here is an intermediate corner module that can be nested with the end or intermediate modules. This is how you form a large reception desk using several of the GRETA modules.